Hey, it's Narreau here, and in this video, I want to show you a way to determine how the crime is in a neighborhood that you're thinking of moving into. Let's go. All right, so one of the main questions I get asked when I'm out showing clients properties is, how's the neighborhood? And honestly, as a realtor, I'm actually not allowed to give my opinion on how the neighborhood is. That's what we call steering. So whether I give my opinion on how the schools are, the demographic of the neighborhood, even just my opinion on if I think it's a good neighborhood or a bad neighborhood, that's illegal for me to do. That's called steering. I'll put a link in the description on what the National Association of Realtors determined as steering. But basically, in a nutshell, I can't give my opinion on whether I think you should move to that neighborhood or not, or my opinion on the school systems in the neighborhood. So with that being said, I want to give you a tool on determining, based on the crime that happens in a neighborhood, if you would feel safe moving there. So I have my phone here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a website called Crimemappingcom. So what we do, we type it in, boom. And from here, if you're either looking for a home or let's say you're already in escrow, you can type the address of the home here and determine if it's a neighborhood you would feel safe living in. So since we're in the high desert, we'll just keep it basic and we'll type in Victorville. And so we'll click on Victorville, and the time frame it gives you initially is for the past 7 days. So if you're familiar with the area, that's where it has Victorville located. So we'll zoom out. And as you can see, things happen. So if you have, the address of the home you're interested in, you can type in that address and then go from there, determining whether you would feel safe living in that neighborhood. If we want to go to Apple Valley, you can zoom out, kind of give a broad overview of what happens in Apple Valley. Same thing if we want to go to Hesperia. You can see Hesperia there. Just to kind of give you an idea of what's going on in each different city. We also have Oak Hills over in this area. So you have the information. It's up to you at that point to make a decision on it. So I wanted to show you this website. Also, one more thing, you can go back farther. So at this time frame, we're at 7 days. We can go back a month. And, make a determining factor based off the information that is provided to you. So if you want to, you can also go back, you can do a custom time range. I think you can go far back as 6 months. In this case, we'll just keep it at the 4 weeks just to keep things simple. And yeah, so from there, that's one way you can determine how the crime in an area is. So whatever you think you would be safe living in, that's up to you to determine. I'll provide you the information, then you have to make a decision based off the information that is provided to you. So with that being said, my name's Narreau. I want to help you out, whether you're buying a home, selling a home. So here's my contact information. Reach out to me. Also, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, I drop new videos every week, so be sure to hit the subscribe button. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.